Coach EmRatThich analysis, Hugo Calderano defeated the whole team China at ITTF World Cup Macao 2025. The 2025 ITTF World Cup in Macau has just ended, and the table tennis world has changed. Hugo Calderano, the pride of Brazil, has done the unthinkable. He has defeated the entire Chinese team and stood at the top of the podium, gold medal in hand, smiling in front of a stunned crowd. Meanwhile, Lin Shidong, Wang Chuqin, Liang Jingkun, the best that China currently has to offer, stood quietly, without a smile, without celebration. For them, this was not just a loss, it was a wake-up call. The podium tells the story. Gold, Hugo Calderano. Silver and bronze, Team China. Silent, disappointed, and shocked. It's the first time in recent memory that not a single Chinese player won the title, and it came at the hands of one man, Hugo Calderano. This is no longer the Calderano of past years who would collapse in the quarterfinal or fall under pressure. This is a transformed beast, a warrior, a champion. Team China is not ready since the golden generation. Ma Long, Fan Zhendong, Xu Xin, Zhang Jike. Team China has entered a transition phase. The new generation is talented, yes, but mentally and technically, they are not yet ready to handle a player like Hugo Calderano who plays with no fear, no hesitation, and immense confidence. The problem is not just technique, it's psychological preparedness. Hugo brought fire into every rally, while Chinese players looked rigid, bound by their structure and habits. Hugo's tactical masterclass. What I noticed during the final, especially in the match against Lin Shidong, was Hugo's unique ball contact. He didn't spin every ball like Chinese players often do. Instead, he used more flat hits, especially in the final phases of each game. Lin Shidong, who is used to returning spin-heavy balls from teammates like Wang Chuqin or Liang Jingkun, misread the trajectory. His racket angle was too closed, expecting spin. But Hugo's balls were flat and fast, catching Lin off balance and forcing mistakes into the net. Again and again, Hugo repeated this pattern, and it worked. The short game surprise. But this wasn't just about power. Calderano showed another layer to his game, the short game. He didn't just attack blindly. He was patient. He played tight, short balls, waiting for the opponent to relax, and then, bang, ripped a powerful shot. This change of rhythm is deadly, and very few non-Chinese players can execute this against China. Hugo did. The endgame control. One of the most impressive aspects of Hugo's performance was his endgame composure. At 8, 9, or even 10, he was in total control. He chose the placement, the pace, and the rhythm. He didn't panic. He didn't hesitate. In fact, he dominated the final 3 points of every crucial game, and that is where champions are born. Hugo is now a legend. Let it be said clearly, Hugo Calderano is now the hero of Brazil and a legend in global table tennis. What he has done in Macau 2025 is historic. He did not win because China was weak. He won because he was better, sharper, and more prepared. Yes, China is rebuilding, but even a rebuilding China is still the hardest challenge in table tennis. Hugo passed that challenge with flying colors. This tournament proves one truth. In modern table tennis, speed, power, courage, and tactical maturity can defeat even the most structured system in the world if you believe in your game. Bravo, Hugo. The table tennis world applauds you.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.